In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, click on one of your apps that you wish to use on the top half of your screen and access it in the background. To do that with Tricky's navigation, use this button with 3 lines. Then click on the icon of an app at the top and select Open in split screen view. Now it's time to select the second app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to change places of your apps, you can tap on those 3 dots between them and use those 2 arrows. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!